Hello, my name is Jada and I am from New York City in the United States. So I decided to do my video on New York State taxes. So New York State is primarily made up of personal income taxes, estate taxes, sales and use taxes, and property taxes. Personal income taxes and sales and use taxes account for 40% of the state's income. So that's almost half, and that is a lot. In regards to personal income, New York State taxes residents on their entire income earned while living in New York State, and they tax any non-residents on any source income that they earned while working here, even if they didn't live here. And they use we use the federal adjusted gross income when it comes to doing our taxes. In regards to sales taxes, New York has a layered tax system. We have a flat rate of 4%, and then we have a local tax rate, which depends on which region you are in New York, so that gets added on top of it. And then there's an additional city tax rate. So that's 3 tax rates in our sales tax system. Some New Yorkers end up paying over 8.875%. Some New Yorkers end up paying up to 12% due to these taxes, so it's very high here. Something interesting, we have a sliced bagel tax, which is pretty funny. So, most states don't tax groceries. So, a bagel that has not been prepared or sliced is not taxed. But once a bagel has been sliced, if you go to order a bagel for consumption for food, and I don't know, they put butter on it, or even just cutting the bagel, there is now a tax on it. So we call that the slice tax rule. And New York definitely makes a lot of money off of that because we love our bagels. To be clear, we do not tax groceries in New York. We also have this rule known as the cheese burning rule, which basically says if you are purchasing items that are non-taxable and you combine them with a taxable item and they're combined on one receipt, there will now be sales tax added to the whole transaction. So yeah, many New Yorkers do not like that. New York State's debt has apparently grown to $125 billion. Last year, we lost $14 billion in revenue. So our governor, Andrew Cuomo, has proposed to raise our state and local income tax rate to 14.7%. So this would be the highest rate in the United States. Of course, many people are against it. They do not like this, and they believe that it's going to cause the wealthy people to leave New York and move to other states. They believe it's going to, because the tax is only on those who earn over $5 million. And for business owners, those who earn over $1 million. So it's really going to affect the wealthy individuals and small businesses. Here is a list of exempt items, followed by a list of non-exempt items from the tax.newyork.gov website. New York also collects revenue through excess taxes. So we impose excess taxes on items such as cigarettes, tobacco, alcohol, highway use, motor fuel, gambling, horse racing, cigars, if I didn't say that. And yes, so New York makes a lot of money. So although New York's taxes are very high, they do offer many incentives and credits to the people that live here and to the business owners as well. There are incentives for employees in producing items, and there's a child care dependent credit and the earned income tax credit and more. So they do try to work with the people that live here. They try to give them benefits that they can take advantage of at the end of the year. But yeah, New York is a pretty strict state in regards to taxation. We're definitely in the top 5. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about New York, and have a great day. Bye.